Hello everyone, this is Lori Mueller with StampinDreams.com coming to you with a beautiful hand-penned petals Memories and More card class. This class is free with a minimum purchase of $30 in my online store at www.stampindreams.com, and it will come with all the supplies needed to create 5 cards. It'll have all of the card stocks, it'll have all of the ribbons, the gems, etc. Everything will be die cut. The only thing I am not able to include are any stamped images. That is featured in the Hand-Penned Petals stamp set. So if this is something that is not in your stamping stash, you would maybe consider purchasing this to be able to continue on with the beauty of this creations that I've got for you. What comes with this class? Well, you would receive a half a pack of the Hand-Penned Petals Memories and More card pack. You'll receive a half a package of the Memories and More card base and envelopes. You will receive a full package of the Genial Gems, and then you'll receive 1 yard each of the ribbons that I have used to create these beautiful cards. Now you'll get all of this for free with a $30 purchase in my online store. But to make certain that I know that you want this class for free, please use this host code before checking out, and the deadline to register is July 30th. So again, just go to www.stampindreams.com, place your minimum $30 order using this host code, and I will send you all the supplies to create this beautiful set of cards. You are not going to want to miss this one. These are beautiful. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the post below, and I will answer them as soon as I see them come across. Until then, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.